Hello, this video is going to be about how you can delete photos from Google Photos in your desktop. So for this, first you have to open Google Photos in front of you. As you can see that I have already opened Google Photos here. Google Photos got a pretty much space to save your files and pictures and folders, whatever you want to save here. Now if you want to delete your pictures or files permanently, or you want to archive the pictures, I will show you how you can do that. For this, first you have to go to the photos where you have uploaded your some pictures. For example, you can see that I have some pictures here. Now I want to delete one of the pictures here. For example, if I want to delete this picture permanently, I will click on that. When this picture is open in front of you, in your right corner you will see different options. If you want to delete the picture permanently, you have to select the option which is about delete and move to trash. Now you can see that my picture has been deleted. And if you want to make sure that your picture has been deleted and it has moved to the trash, in your left corner you will see the option which is about trash. Go to it. When you go to it, you will see that you have the pictures which have been deleted are here. Now click on that picture. If you want to restore that picture, and if the picture has been deleted mistakenly, you can also restore the picture by clicking on that restore option. Every picture that you delete or move to trash from Google Photos will remain into the trash box for next 60 days. And after 60 days, it will be deleted permanently. So that's how you can delete the pictures and videos from the Google Photos. Thank you.